The door panel is secured to the door with screws in 6 locations. The first screw is located underneath the cover of the interior door handle. Push the rear part of the cover inward. This will release the front, allowing you to remove the cover. Remove the screw underneath. Screws 2 and 3 are located underneath the window switch trim. Carefully pry the trim upward. It is only clipped into place. Press the locking tab on the connector and unplug the window switch. Remove the 2 screws underneath. The 4th screw is located underneath the reflector. Carefully pry out the reflector and remove it. Remove the screw underneath. Screws 5 and 6 are easily accessible and are located at the bottom of the door panel. Remove both screws. Once all the screws shown previously have been removed, the door panel is only held to the door by clips. Pull the door panel away from the door and release the clips one by one. Suitable trim removal tools are linked in the description. At the top, the door panel is also only held in place by metal clips and can simply be pulled away. To disconnect the interior door handle, release the locking mechanism of the Bowden cable and unhook the cable. Now unplug the remaining electrical connectors, and that's it. The rear door panels are removed in exactly the same way, so I'll save you an extra explanation here. As always, you'll find all the important links, tools, and materials in the description. Good luck with the job!